Hi guys! Today, we'll see how to use patterns in BannerBoo. First, let's set the banner size and click Let's Go. Now let's add a background color. Next, go to the Vector Elements menu and select the Patterns section. To add a pattern to the workspace, simply click on it. We can replace one pattern with another by simply dragging the desired one. By dragging the controls, we can enlarge the pattern area. Pressing the Shift key allows us to transform the area evenly. To enlarge or shrink the pattern image, we can use the Control key. We can also combine similar patterns together. The colors of all patterns can be varied using the palette. Let's make a simple lifestyle-themed banner using a pattern. Add our pattern to the workspace and transform it. Now let's add text, which will be supported by a small badge, and we'll do it using a gradient. We talked about how to use gradients in the previous video. Next, copy our gradient and change the text. Let's also add an improvised logo using the icon library. Now let's add animation to our banner. Go to the timeline and increase the logo and pattern animation to 6 seconds. Expand the pattern animation to the center as much as possible. For animation, use Custom. Set the top and left parameters to 40. Set Easing to ease in out. Also, stretch the button for 6 seconds. For the in animation, set Slide Down. For the out animation, also set Slide Down, but go to Custom for editing. Set the top parameter to 1000 and set Easing to Ease In. Now, using Shift, select all our text. This will animate it faster. Go to In Animations and set Custom. Set the left parameter to -300 and set Easing to Ease Out Back. For the out animation, also choose Custom. Set the left parameter to 300 and set Easing to Ease In Back. Now arrange the layers of our text on the timeline like stairs. Save our banner by pressing Ctrl S. Now, let's review the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day and see you in the next videos.